In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a line graph in Word. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Word on. So all you want to do is go to the Insert tab, and then once you're in here, go over to Chart. Now, once you're in Chart, you're going to see a lot of different options, but of course, if you want to make a line one, go ahead and click Line. You can choose exactly what type of line one you want. So let's say I wanted something like this. What I got to do now is go ahead and press OK. And now that chart is made. And now it's going to make a chart through Excel onto Word. And I can basically change the figures right here. So when I change something over here, let me just put this on 8. It's going to change on my graph instantly, which is really cool. And yeah, you can do as much as you want. Of course, you can add more categories if you want to. Like if I want to add more, I could go ahead and do that. So there's more space for more categories. So if I want to add another one, go ahead and type that in, and now it's over there too. And then I can add my own custom values if I want to, like so. And then yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.